Hi there, it's James from the Harman Group. I thought we'd have a quick look back as to how the housing market, according to Rightmove, performed throughout the month of September as we go into the autumn market. Break it down into 4 price categories. Let's have a look. First up, we'll have a look at the 0 to £250,000 part of the market. Now, there was 19 new instructions, there was 16 sales agreed, and there were 8 price reductions. So really good insight as to how the market's performing at the lower end. Great news is it looks as though there are more first-time buyers coming into the marketplace, which is great news for everybody throughout the price ranges. Next up, we'll look at the 250,000 through to 500,000 part of the market. Now, this was a really strong month for this part of the market. We saw 58 new instructions, which is the highest we've seen for a long time. The great news is there were 44 sales agreed. But to achieve those 44 sales agreed, there were nearly 50% in price reductions, totaling 19. But again, really strong September market if you were selling between 250 and 500,000. Next up, we're going to have a look at the 500,000 through to 750,000. Now, as you'd expect, there's probably less numbers in that price category coming on, but there were 25 new instructions, there's 21 sales agreed, and there were 6 price reductions. So again, the market there performing really well. Lastly, we're going to have a look at the £750,000 and above part of the market. Now, as you would expect, there are significantly less transactions happening in that part of the market, but there were 15 new instructions, there were 11 new sales agreed, so a pretty good conversion rate there. But for those 11 sales agreed, there were 10 price reductions. So really just echoing the fact that the upper end of the housing market is still price sensitive. But again, some good numbers there. Looking really positive as we move into the mid part of the autumn market. Remember, if you have any questions or you're looking for an update in terms of how your property is performing, do give us a call. We're open 7 days a week. Our number is 01444 456 457. We'd love to hear from you. Have a good week.